Hi, I'm Slavik Janicki with iDrinkCoffee.com. Today I'd like to present the Bezzera Medea. Bezzera, having been one of the oldest manufacturers of espresso machines in the world, were established in 1901. They have been producing quality espresso machines like the Medea for over a century. The Medea features the famed E61 group head. It has a 2-liter copper boiler with a heat exchanger, both a steam and a hot water tap, and an extraction manometer. The body is made of nickel-plated chrome and has an absolutely beautiful finish. To demonstrate the Medea, I'm going to prepare 3 sets of drinks. I'll start with a standard double shot of espresso. Now I'm using the compact 3-touch grinder, and I have it preset to a double dose, a standard dose of espresso, which is 14 grams, so 2 times 7 grams. Look at that crema. Very lovely extraction, nice striping, wonderful taste as well. The second drink I'm going to prepare will be a milk-based drink. So I'm going to dose my coffee right now. Once again, I'm doing a standard double shot, 14 grams of coffee. So the Bezzera is, the Medea, having a heat exchanger boiler, is capable of extracting espresso and frothing milk at the same time. There's no downtime in between each function. But first, I have my espresso in there, but first I'm going to froth the milk. It's a good idea, good practice to purge any water inside, just a second burst, any water that's inside the line, so you get just dry steam when you begin frothing. Has a four-hole steam tip, which is very powerful. You can steam milk very, very quickly. This is a 20-ounce pitcher of milk that I'm using from espresso. As you can see, I'm already done. Very quick. It's a good idea to wipe your steam tip. Give it a short burst again to get any excess milk that's in there out. Now, on one side, I'm going to make a latte macchiato, so I'll put the milk in first. And on the other side, I'm going to do a traditional cappuccino. You can see with the Bodum double wall glass, you'll notice on the left, which is a latte macchiato, you'll notice a very nice separation start to occur very shortly. The glass gives it a really nice presentation. For the cappuccino, you add the milk afterwards. You have 2 very nice drinks. For my next shot, I'm going to prepare a double ristretto. Now, a ristretto is a short shot, so what I've done, I've set this grinder to a finer setting, and I'm going to dose the coffee a little bit higher. So I have this set to about 18 grams for a double shot. which is 4 grams more than the espresso, than the double espresso. The idea is to get about 40 milliliters of coffee in about 25 to 30 seconds. Sometimes ristrettos run actually a little bit longer, so about 30 seconds is what I'll be aiming for. Now this is a blind filter basket, so we can see the extraction. That is wonderful. Look at that striping. That striping is definitely a sign of a good extraction. The extraction is almost entirely creme. Now stop it right there. So as you can see, the Medea is a very nice prosumer grade machine. The price is what makes it truly attractive because you get all the features you do in higher end E61 machines, or rather than higher end, more expensive E61 machines, because the Bezzera is quite high end. And the extraction nanometer, the large copper boiler, the nickel plate body, it's just a wonderful machine, and it's available at idrinkcoffee.com. Thanks.